Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in this video today is the true definition of try again. You guys will see this in the video. I think I retried this painting about 3 or 4 times. I was going for a deconstructed bloom, but I just could not get it to turn out right. So I settled for just a regular bloom, and I'm so glad I did because I am loving how this turned out. So I'm going to show you guys here. I really like the balance on this. You can see you've got this part up here, you've got this right here to kind of balance each other out. So yeah, really happy with how this one turned out. Sometimes you get happy accidents, you know. Sometimes if you keep trying, you never know what you're going to get, right? I will have my paint colors as well as the formula in the description box for you guys. I also have some online courses on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com, if you want to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.